Abhyaas Lawprep. Today we are going to discuss some important current affairs topic of science and technology, Chandrayaan 3 for CLAT 2024. See, the very important thing while preparing for current affairs is what to read and what to skip. Because many people will keep on read all different sources on one particular topic. But the thing is, we need to know what to skip and what to read. So as we are not giving any UPSC exam to read in detail, but we are trying to crack our CLAT 2024. So let's discuss this topic in lines with CLAT 2024. So first of all, what is Chandrayaan 3? So this is ISRO's very successful mission, which is landed on the moon. We have tried landing on the moon with Chandrayaan 2, but it was a failure. But we have overcome all those difficulties, and now successfully we have reached the moon with Chandrayaan 3. What is unique about this mission? We are the first country which landed successfully on the south pole of the moon. Till now, there are 3 countries which landed on the moon, but it is not a south pole. So we know USA, Russia and China, these 3 countries successfully soft landed on the moon. But we are the 4th country to land on the moon, and we are the first country to land on the south pole of the moon. So this is very unique about this mission. So for this, we did not directly reach the moon. We have used this technique called slingshot technique. So first we need to revolve the satellite around the Earth for certain rotations and revolutions. After that, we taken this satellite onto the moon and there some revolutions to land on the moon. So it is not direct landing, but it is a slingshot technique which we have used. Next. So what details about the mission? As we already read, India is the first country to soft land on the south pole of the moon, and we are the 4th country to land anywhere on the moon. Okay, so we have sent 2 objects. One is lander, which is also called Vikram, and another thing is rover, which is also called Pragyan. Already we have sent these 2 as part of Chandrayaan 2, but we are unable to eject these equipment on the surface. That's the reason why it is a failure. Already we have released orbiter as part of Chandrayaan 2. We are using the same orbiter for communication with Chandrayaan 3 also. So we have sent these 2 with this. And the lifespan of this, all the propulsion module is 3 to 6 months, and the lifespan of lander and rover is 1 lunar day, that is 14 Earth days. So our mission target is to identify our objective, identify the water ice, identify any other elements on the moon within 14 days, because we completely depending on the solar energy. Our mission, our lander and rover will work getting the sunlight. The energy will be received from the sunlight. So for the first 14 days there will be complete light, and the next 14 days there is complete darkness. So that is the reason why within the 14 days we need to know the detailed information which is on the surface of the moon. And these are the objectives. First is to identify the water ice and to land soft landing and some in situ experiments with the available equipment. So this is the complete picture of this Chandrayaan 3. And what are new in this Chandrayaan 3? So we have followed the failure-based design. That means Chandrayaan 2 already we sent a lander, rover and orbiter, but it was a partial success. Now we have decided to achieve this mission at any cost. So our design of this Chandrayaan 3 is completely failure-based design. That means even if all the parts of this particular mission got failed, but we can successfully land on the moon. So this is the design, this is the object, this is the technique which we have used for sending this Chandrayaan 3. Next step. So we did not send any new orbiter. As I said, the orbiter we have used in Chandrayaan 2, we are using for Chandrayaan 3. And we have increased the strength of the legs so that it will not crash while landing, and we have reduced the number of propellers so that the weight will be reducing, the force, everything will be balanced as per the gravity of the moon. So these are the new things in Chandrayaan 3. And after the launch of Chandrayaan 3, Russia also launched Luna 25 mission to reach onto the south pole of the moon before the Chandrayaan 3. So there was a problem. There was a Russia tried to reach the south pole even before India, but it was a failure because Russia's design is that directly it is reaching the moon, direct path. Our design is slingshot path. So everyone thought Russia's Luna 25 may reach the surface of the moon, but the thing is, it was a crash. It is a failure mission. But we need to know the differences. How Luna 25 is different from Chandrayaan 3. So these are the differences. Have a look on these differences. So in future, in the CLAT 2024 exam, they may ask question on this. How Luna 25 is different from Chandrayaan 3? Which agency sent this Luna 25? Which agency sent this Chandrayaan 3? So this is how we need to approach the topic. We need not read in detail regarding the scientific equipments of these Chandrayaan 3 mission. We need to know what is the mission and what are the new things, what is the objective, is there any other mission similar to this, is there any other competitor, and we need to know something about the agency which sent the mission. We need to know about ISRO, the headquarters of ISRO, the chief of ISRO, it comes under which ministry or department. All these things we need to know, so that even in the CLAT examination, even if they ask any GK question on this particular topic, you will be in a position to write this. So this is how you need to approach the topic. So this is about Chandrayaan 3. So if you have any doubts, you can always reach us at Abhyaas Lawprep, and in the description section we will place our contact number. We will place all the details about the website details, everything. So whenever you have a doubt, you can always reach us at Abhyaas Lawprep. So all the best for your preparation. Get ready for CLAT 2024 examination. Thank you.